Introduction of Biology. The branch of science which deals with the study of living organisms is called biology. Biology is divided into three branches. Plant science, or otherwise called as botany; animal science is otherwise called as zoology; and science of microorganisms, which is otherwise called as microbiology. Then, introduction to zoology. Zoology is the branch of biology which deals with the study of animals. Then, 200 AD, it is called Dark Age of Science because during this period there was no significant contribution to zoological research. After that, Aristotle is called as the father of zoology, and he gives more branches of zoology in applied cases and other cases also. Then we will discuss about branches of zoology. Branches of zoology. First we will discuss about morphology. What is morphology? The branches of biology which deals with the study of external feature of living organism is called morphology. Then anatomy. The branch which deals with the study of internal structure of body is called anatomy, through which we will discuss or we will know about the internal structure of body part. The internal structure of human body part, it is called anatomy. Then biochemistry, the branch which deals with the study of application of chemical laws and chemical reaction in the field of biology. The chemical laws which applied in our body, through biochemistry we will know about it. Then biophysics, the branch which deals with the study of application of physical laws is called biophysics. Then biostatistics, the branch which deals with the study of mathematical and statistical theories in biology is called biometrics or biostatistics. Then physiology, the branch which deals with the study of structure and function of different body organs is called physiology. Previously we know that the anatomy is the study of internal structure of body and physiology is the branch which deals with the study of structure and function, both the structure and function of different body organ of a human being, that is called physiology. Then endocrinology, the branch which deals with the study of endocrine gland is called endocrinology. Then endocrine gland. What do you mean by endocrine gland? Endocrine gland is otherwise known as hormone secreting gland or ductless gland because it is called as ductless gland because which secrete its secretion directly into the bloodstream. Histology, the branch which deals with the study of tissue is called histology. Then tissue, the aggregation of cells having common origin and performing a same function is called tissue. Then cytology, the branch which deals with the study of structure and function of a cell along with its different organelle. It is called cytology. Cell is the structural and functional unit of a body. So, father of cytology is Robert Hooke. Then embryology, study of origin and development of embryo. Then ecology. Ecology is derived from two words. Oikos means house and logos means study. Then ecology means knowledge of study or knowledge about the interrelationship between living organism with their environment. It is the it is so the friendship or the economical adjustment through the organism and their environment or the organism with their surroundings. Then evolution, study of changes or modification from ancestor to present form of animals called evolution. Then taxonomy, Study of identification, classification, and nomenclature in animals. Father of taxonomy is Carl Linnaeus. Then pathology, study of cause and identification of diseases. Then genetics, study of heredity and variation. Then applied branches of zoology is pisciculture. What is the meaning of pisciculture? It means study of culture of fishes. Then aquaculture, study of culture of freshwater fishes. Then apiculture, study of culture of honeybee. Then sericulture, study of culture of silkworms. Then lake culture, study of culture of lake insects. Then biophysics, study of addition or removal of transform of genes in mechanical way. Then biometrics, study of addition or removal of transfer of gene in mechanical way. Then biotechnology, study of addition or removal of transfer of gene in mechanical way. Then we will know the father of eugenics is Francis Galton. He discussed about study of modern application of heredity for the improvement of human race by careful selection of parent is euthanasia. The study of modern application of heredity for the improvement of human race by environment influence is called euthanasia. Then exobiology, study of life in other planets. Then space biology, study of life in space. Then biotechnology, study of use of microorganisms for production of useful produces in technical manner. Example, human insulin artificially produced through the biotechnology process.